Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will know how to create invoicing and where we can create the invoicing and why we create invoicing. So in this video we will learn how to create invoicing and what will be the reflect in the report and which account is used for the debit and credit in the invoicing. Okay, so let's start. Do not waste too much time. Okay, so whenever you sell some items, for example, you sell one item to customer. So whenever customer is has received the item, so after that you take the payment right from the customer. So when you take the payment against the customer, you need to create the invoice to give him, so he can understand what the payment of the which is purchase the customer from you, but you sell but customer will purchase from you. Okay, so let's start. Do not waste too much time. So in this sale module, if this module is not installed in your system, so you need to install. Go to the app store and search here sale. So here you can see the sales module, and after that you can click on the activate. The module will be installed in your system. After that, need to create one more module in your system, accounting. Okay, need to install this module. If your system is not enterprise, then you need to install an invoicing module. Okay, so I'm already installed those module. So let's create a sale first. I'm going to create new one. Here I'm going to select the customer Azure interior. Okay, I'm select Azure interiors. We are selling to Azure interior. Okay, what will be the price? Here you can see the price list. You can choose or you can modify the price list in the sale order. Here is you can see different type of price list, USD and also the euro. Okay, now what will be the invoicing address or what will be the delivery address of the customer, you can see here or you can change. Now I'm going to select product. For example, apple pie is purchasing one product, but we are selling three quantity of this product to him. Okay, what will be the price for one apple pie? Is 10. Okay, I am not apply the taxes. Okay, or not apply any discount. So what will be the total amount is 30. So let's going to save. After that confirm. Once I confirm the delivery, so here you can see the delivery pineapple. Now we're going to validate. Once I validate, after that need to raise invoicing against the sale order. Okay, or you can raise the invoicing again along with the sale module. Okay, apart from the sales module. So here you can see the create invoice button. So simply click on create, and regular, if you want to create in a down payment, simply select down payment or your fixed amount. Here three options will be available, whichever we want to create. Okay, after that I'm selecting here regular invoice. So I'm going to create. So this is my invoice. Okay, also send the message to him. Okay, so here you can see the invoicing date. What will be the invoicing date? Select the invoicing date. Okay, after that here you can see the how many quantity delivered to him. So here quantity will showing. Okay, and also the unit price. After that going to save. Once I save, here you can see the confirm button. Okay, so once I confirm this invoicing, then invoice number will generate. Otherwise you can delete invoicing. This is a draft invoices. You can cancel also or you can delete. Okay, but now I'm going to confirm. So simply when I confirm the invoice, here you can see the invoice number. So after that you can send to him or you can print the invoice from the printer or send button. Okay. So what will be look the invoice report. So now I'm going to continue and send to him. So my invoice is sent to him. Also you can see here the mail, as dear Azure interior, here is your invoice number this and what will be the amount you are here, and also the which account, or you can see the invoice number. Or if you want to see the PDF, click on the PDF, then here you can see PDF format. Okay, This is the PDF default format. If you want to customize report, this is the customizable. Okay, so now I'm sending to invoice also the to him. After that, need to payment against the this invoice. Okay, so here you can see the pay amount button. Simply click on pay. Once the customer give you the balance. Okay, after that click on here is the cash or bank. Okay, which account you want to reflect, simply select here, and what will be the payment date. Also invoice number will come here. Now I'm going to create payment. So once I create the payment, here see due amount is 30 and I'm simply in payment. Okay, if you want to create again, then you create again. Okay, or you can recheck. Simply you can check the payment. Now I'm going to validate first payment. So my payment is done. Okay, so here now I'm going to the payment. So here you can see the payment against the customer. Okay, so which account is reflect in the account. Okay, bank, sorry. And what is the invoice number, this, and the payment number also is. Okay, also you can create the invoice again in the accounting module. So go to the accounting module. So this is the first and second scenario. So from the sales module, now I'm going to the accounting module. Okay, so here you can see all the, this is the dashboard in the accounting module. Here you can see all the invoices, also here vendor bill or bank and cans. If you have any difference entry or miscellaneous, here you can see all the entries. Okay, so simply go to the invoicing menu or you can click on invoice. Okay, so I'm going to invoicing menu. So here will be reload all the invoices. So now I'm going to create new one. Click on the new and simply select here customer or also the date. Okay, I'm selecting the date. After that, which are this invoice which we apply which item. So select here the apple and which account will be the reflect. So this, and also what will be the price. Here you can change manually and also remove the tax. So when I click on the general item, so here you can see this account will be the credit and also this account will be the debit. Okay, so whenever you see the invoice in the reporting, so that will be the showing that account wise amount. Okay, in the reporting I will show. Okay, no issue. So let's, I'm going to confirm. So once I confirm, also the simple same process. So simple you can pay it or you can send to a PDF to him. Okay, so this is the invoicing process. If you have any credit note, you can see here. Okay, after that, now once I am only copy the invoice number, I'm go to the reporting section. So I'm go to the balance sheet. What will be the reflect in the balance? So here you can see the receivable account. So here I'm raise the one invoice against the customer. Okay, so here you can see all the consolidate amount will be showing here. It's basically debit minus credit. Okay, when click on the journal, here will be showing here. Okay, so here you can see invoicing number wise, or also you can see the opening balance what will be this. Sorry for disturb. So now here you can see all the balance, what will be the final balance which will be showing here. So what all the consolidated debit here and also the credit, and here you can see the balance 6135. So I'm going to here 601, sorry, 6135. So I'm then going to the customer again. So I'm recently raised this invoice. I'm simply copy all the invoice number. Now I'm going to again balance sheet and simply open all the entries. So my invoice will be coming end of this. Okay, entry. So here you can see my invoice. Okay. After that, here you can see all the journal laser and also the flow chart or profit and loss. Okay. Also here you can see the revenue, what will be the revenue and what will be the gross profit. Here you can see all the reporting. Okay. So this is the journal invoice. Here you can see all the journal entries. Also the partner laser. So here I am raising this invoice. Here you can see this partner raise the one invoice. Okay, this one, $10. Okay, so this type you can raise the invoice in the accounting module or from sales module. So in this video we will know how to create invoice and where we can create invoice and how why we create invoice and how to create the payment against the invoice. So this is the invoicing tutorial. Okay, if you want to make any video on the customization or any functional, so I will create, no issue. So thank you. If you have any query or question, you can comment in the video section.